Did you know that 4.4 million people die every year from high cholesterol, which is 7.8% of all deaths globally? If you don't want to end in the statistics, I suggest you watch the entire video so you know the best 5 foods to eat to help lower your cholesterol. Number 5, avocados. These are a fantastic addition to your diet when aiming to lower cholesterol. Packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, these green gems help reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels while boosting good HDL cholesterol. Their creamy texture and rich flavor make them a delightful addition to any meal. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that including 1 avocado a day in a moderate fat diet improved cholesterol levels in overweight individuals. Number 4, almonds. This snack is also rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are known to lower bad LDL cholesterol while maintaining good HDL cholesterol levels. Almonds also contain fiber and vitamin E. Both support overall heart health. Adding a handful of almonds, about 1 ounce or 23 almonds, to your daily diet can be a simple and effective way to improve cholesterol levels. Research from Nutrition Reviews highlights that consuming tree nuts like almonds is associated with a 3 to 19% reduction in LDL cholesterol. Make sure you don't overeat almonds, as they are high in calories. Number 3, fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fatty fish like sardines, salmon, and tuna are an amazing choice for lowering cholesterol and promoting heart health. These essential fats are known for their ability to reduce triglycerides, lower blood pressure, and improve arterial function. Studies, such as those from the American Heart Association, show that consuming 2 servings of fatty fish per week, about 3.5 ounces per serving, can significantly benefit heart health. Fatty fish are also packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients, including vitamin D and selenium. Number 2, barley. This ancient grain is a hidden gem when it comes to lowering cholesterol levels. Barley is exceptionally high in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which has been shown to effectively reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad kind. Its chewy texture and nutty flavor make it a delightful addition to soups, salads, and grain bowls. A meta-analysis published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming barley can lower LDL cholesterol by 5 to 10% in just 4 weeks. Number 1, oats. The ultimate champion in the battle against high cholesterol, oats are a powerhouse of nutrition that deserves a top spot on your plate. Rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, oats have been scientifically proven to lower LDL cholesterol levels effectively. According to the FDA, consuming at least 3 grams of beta-glucan daily, found in about 3/4 cup of cooked oats, can reduce cholesterol levels by 5 to 10%. Oatmeal has a wide range of versatility: breakfast bowls, smoothies, and even baked goods. Oatmeal provides sustained energy, keeping you full and satisfied throughout the morning. By eating these healthy foods, you're not just fueling your body, but taking a step toward better heart health. We explored the top 5 foods that can help you lower your cholesterol levels fast. Now that you know this, start adding these healthy habits to your daily routine for the most efficient results. If you have found value in this video and want to live a healthier lifestyle, please subscribe and turn notifications on. Until next time, bye.